Hey everyone! Welcome back to Future Concept Cars, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in futuristic car designs. Today, we have something truly exciting, the 2026 Renault Grand Captur. This SUV is bigger, bolder, and packed with cutting-edge technology. Is this the perfect upgrade for Captur lovers? Stick around, and let's dive in. Renault is taking things up a notch with the Grand Captur. This new model is longer, stretching to around 4.4 meters, making it the perfect balance between the classic Captur and the larger Austral. The design? Think sharper lines, a sportier stance, and a more aggressive front grille. And let's not forget those sleek LED headlights, which add a futuristic touch. Moving to the rear, we see a more upright tailgate, giving the SUV a robust, muscular look. This isn't just for style. It also increases cargo space, making it an ideal family SUV. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a high-tech, driver-focused cockpit. Renault has borrowed elements from its premium models, giving us a fully digital instrument panel, a floating touchscreen infotainment system, and soft-touch materials for a more luxurious feel. And here's the kicker: Renault is expected to introduce their latest Google-powered infotainment system, ensuring seamless connectivity with your smartphone. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto? Absolutely. Under the hood, Renault is offering multiple options. The 1.2L turbocharged engine with 48V mild hybrid technology delivers 130 horsepower, balancing power and efficiency. There's also a 110 HP version for those looking for a budget-friendly option. Plus, an LPG variant is expected to arrive in 2026, giving eco-conscious drivers more choices. The Getrag DW23 dual-clutch transmission promises smoother shifting and better fuel efficiency, making every drive a pleasure. Now, before we move on, what do you guys think so far? Would you consider upgrading to the Grand Captur? Drop a comment below and let me know. And hey, if you love concept cars and future car trends, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Renault might be positioning the Grand Captur as a replacement for the gasoline-powered Megane, which is expected to be discontinued in 2024. This means the Grand Captur could become a crucial model in Renault's lineup, appealing to both SUV and hatchback lovers. While official pricing hasn't been revealed yet, we expect Renault to launch the Grand Captur by late 2026 or early 2027. So, if you're in the market for a stylish, spacious, and high-tech SUV, this might just be worth the wait. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2026 Renault Grand Captur. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting car content. Thanks for watching Future Concept Cars, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.